For years, Nokia has been one of the most trusted brands in the world. Now, after a long wait, Nokia is back with a bang. Introducing the Nokia Dragon Pro 2025, a smartphone that's set to redefine mobile tech with a jaw-dropping 200 megapixel DSLR camera, the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, and a ton of premium features. If you're eyeing this beast, stick around because we're diving deep into its full specs, price, and launch date. Let's start with the display. This stunning phone sports a massive 6.95-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display. But wait, it's not just big. It also features a smooth 144Hz refresh rate, a 390Hz touch sampling rate, and a crystal clear resolution of 1440 x 3200 pixels. Oh, and it's protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7 with an in-display fingerprint sensor and IP68 water and dust resistance. Now let's talk cameras. And the Nokia Dragon Pro 2025 shines here. It packs a quad-rear setup with a 200 megapixel primary sensor, a 50 megapixel ultra-wide sensor, a 32 megapixel telephoto lens, and a 5 megapixel macro sensor. And for all you selfie lovers, there's a 32 megapixel front camera to keep you looking sharp. Under the hood, this phone is an absolute powerhouse. With Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, the Dragon Pro 2025 is built for gaming, multitasking, and professional-level content creation. Plus, it's running on Android 15 right out of the box, so you're getting the latest software goodies. Worried about battery life? The Dragon Pro 2025 packs a huge 6500 mAh battery, supporting 120W fast charging via USB Type-C Gen 2. You'll be back to 100% in no time, ready to take on anything the day throws at you. Now, the big question: how much will it cost? While there's no official confirmation yet, leaks suggest the price could be around $700. As for the launch, mark your calendars because this beast is expected to drop in early 2025. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more updates.